There's a fire activation in our panel that need to reset. This is the MX1 panel. I will show you how. Just press the reset button and you can see into the screen that's saying press OK to confirm alarm reset. Then press OK, then the lights will disappear. Alright, then the next one. And another one here. There is a fire activation again. But this time, I will show you how to test the sound. It's just simple. Just press the silence release button, just like this. See the orange button? Press there and press OK. Then the sound will come out.
Okay, good. Sound test good. Now reset. Say okay, then press OK, and will disappear. Okay, good. Everything's fine.